Hey lovelies, so today I'm going to be talking about part 11 of Be Your Own Resource. It is the using keywords everywhere segment. So this is a very important one, especially for being found in the search engines and rankings of YouTube videos. This is a huge part of why some people succeed and some people's videos flourish versus other people's videos tank. And my cat would like to say hello. Hello? Say hello. Love you. Okay, so this is the guide to using keywords everywhere. So, as I talked about in the last video, it is a Chrome extension, but it is really, really important and vital, so I want to talk about the different things about it. So, basically you search a keyword, and it gives you the keywords relating to that keyword and the highest ranking one. So it gives you sub-keywords as well. And what are other keyword search engines? Well, you could use Google Trends and Keywords Explorer. What is the right amount to spend as a content creator for keywords everywhere? About $15 per year. It used to be $10, but they raised their prices. $10 a year used to get you 100,000 searches. And now that's what $15 per year will do. So how will these help you? 100K credits for searching 100K keywords. Should I use AI for help with titles? Yes, because they'll make sure that they're good titles. But you can also, like I said, use the keyword, like make sure you're putting the keyword in the AI search as well. How do you know what's the best time to post? So Google Analytics tells you when your audience watches your videos mostly. So for me, it ranges between 10:30 and 12. And there is people that watch my videos all over the world at all different times, but it tells you like the majority of your subscribers, like what time is their most active. Do playlists help the search engine on YouTube? Yes, they do actually. People love playlists, and so that's why I like creating series of content, because I can put it into a playlist, put it on my main channel, and also like you guys can watch the video from the beginning of the series to the end of the series without stopping. It's very convenient, and it makes it organized and easier to rank videos on YouTube because they know all about what it is, and they know that the series is going to help any new beginner YouTubers. So I hope that helps you understand the importance of it. So on my Notion template, I've got this SEO keyword research guide that talks about keyword research, titles, descriptions, tags, video quality, engagement, video link, thumbnails, promotion, and consistency. And if you're really interested in that, then make sure to go to my Notion template and grab yourself that, as well as, like I said, all of these physical guides will be on there. No extra cost, and you guys will have a physical copy to look over on your iPad, your phone, your computer, whenever you like, print it out. You'll have these just like I do, and it will help you with your YouTube journey as an advanced creator, as a beginner creator, and even going in the future if you want to help people yourself. So make sure to apply these 11 parts that I've already done, and I look forward to seeing you guys very shortly. I really would rather get better than continue filming these videos with having to pause it every time I sneeze. But yeah, I'm just really grateful that at least I can put on a little bit of makeup and not look so sick. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.